Nature Jadd here, coming to you live from the Oregon Caveman. Did you read all of that? Because that's what I was going to say. So let's check him out, shall we? Domain of the Oregon Caveman since 1922. Let's get an upskirt shot. Oh boy. Dingleberries back then, I guess. He's a handsome fellow. I heard if you say the words, "The caveman's a brave man," 3 times, he'll come to life. But I don't believe this is nonsense, so let's try it. The caveman's a brave man. The caveman's a brave man. The caveman's a brave man. Oh, no! Nature Jadd has died.